Bubba, get closer to Angel. Okay, Bubba, you gotta say thank you, Jonathan.
Thank you, Jonathan.
And yours is from Jenna.
Thank you, Jenna.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, go.
I can't open mine. That means I gotta bite it.
Whoa, what is it, Angel? Oh, that's for your Easy Bake Oven. You can make things, decorate. Bubba, what you got? You got a Hummer. What do y'all say?
Thank you.
Saying belated Merry Christmas.
Belated Merry Christmas.
Give kisses. Give kisses. Oh, you say, I got Angry Birds. Oh, you want to get kisses too? All right.
I feel like doing this.
You feel like doing that? Have you used your Easy Bake? Now you can decorate.
Now I have 2 Easy Bakeries.
Yeah. All
Alright,
say bye.
bye.
Everybody in New York. Thank you.
Thank you.